The experience was absolutely amazing. I was blown away by the talent of all these students, all these ACCS students, and being able to sing together was just such a blessing. And it's a once in a lifetime opportunity that I will never forget.
I've sung with Dr. Erb before, but this was different because everyone's auditioned and you have that desire. Everyone wants to be there. Everyone wants to match each other. And no one's there because it's daycare. Everyone has passion.
It was a lot of fun. We had really good bonding time. They made sure to set aside time for us to hang out with people. We did dancing, we played some volleyball games, threw some balls around, whatever. And then the choir time, it was pretty intense, but it was so much fun and you learn so much. Dr. Erb was amazing. He makes sure you know everything and that you're very confident.
I think my biggest takeaway is that we need to introduce and bring back singing into the church, and we need to become better singers and to work hard to glorify the Lord with our voices, to read the text well. That was probably my biggest takeaway, was that reading the text well and singing it is the most important. It really amplifies it.
Beautiful music glorifies God when you sing it together. For choirs, one person off could mess up the whole thing, but when you are together in perfect harmony, you are glorifying God so much. You are showing that you love Him and that you're willing to wake up early, go to bed late, and sing for Him, and that was so cool. And I think that's something that I'm going to be practicing continually and just trying to make myself learn to glorify God with other people and not just by myself.
I think that all high schoolers should definitely come. It is the best experience.
You will not get this experience anywhere else during your high school years. It is something so special and so glorious just to do. So definitely come. It is so worth it.